So one of these tools I thought was so monumental that I thought that it needed its own thing. I know it's gonna seem like maybe it doesn't, but to me, it needs its own thing because it's that important. And so what that is I'm gonna go over back to walls, right? And I am now gonna go over to auto joint and lock because I want you to think about something. When you're actually now going to align a lot of this stuff, you want to make sure that go ahead and get this out. You want to make sure that these walls, especially when you're doing wall borders, to make sure that this stuff is there. So you see right here, look, even before I did anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and make this wall just a little bit smaller. And we were gonna go ahead and we're gonna say this is gonna be 1/2 inch. And this is just for this tutorial. But I think it's worth really going through and just saying, hey, let me go ahead and make sure this is in. And so now I am going to go ahead and as you can see here, I'm gonna go place by segment. And you see how it highlights? I can go over to any room. This is what I love about this new segment is now, okay, cool. I can go ahead and put it over here. I can put it over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it on this side. All right. And just so clear, I'm gonna make sure that we can see it. Seeing is believing, right? But at this point, this is what I want you to see. I want you to see the actual size here, right? And so now I can go ahead and I'm gonna just I'm gonna say 1 inch. I'm probably gonna make that small, but move it all down. But either way, now you can see now, okay, cool. So now what? Well, this is the part I was talking about. So now that it's there, if I move that wall, as you can see, I have it highlighted in 3D. Now look. And now it's moved. That wall goes with it. As you can see here, there's a distance. And like I said, to me, that is such a huge aspect. Make sure that you get the auto join or that you got a new created wall and this is locked in, so that way you ain't got to worry about anything. If you want to unlock it or you just want to go ahead and just do the auto join, either way, you can do it by segment or you can do it by the room, right? So in this case, first let me just go ahead and undo this again. See, that goes back. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I am going to go into my other view. As you can see how it highlights, because we're in Revit, we promote parametric stuff over here. And so now I can go back into this room, see everything highlights. Let me go ahead and look at that. Okay. So now this entire room has been done. And as you can see, it wrapped around. And that's what I'm talking about, because having this feature needed its own highlight, because we've been wanting Revit to kind of get with the program for a minute, but now we've got this feature. So I wanted to go over and do a line and lock feature by itself. I wanted to go ahead and do the room and by segment so you can kind of see just that function. That to me, this is so important. It saves so much time when you're actually in Revit. So I wanted to go give it its own shine. So once again, 2026 Revit. Thank you.